everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Bank of America. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open any web browser and in the search box type in bankofamerica.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Bank of America. The Bank of America Corporation is an American multinational investment bank and financial services holding company headquartered in North Carolina. It is one of the big four banking institutions of the United States, and its services revolves around commercial banking, wealth management, and investment banking. If you'd like to sign up and open an account on Bank of America, from the display at the left-hand corner, you'll be able to see a box where you can enter your online ID and passcode if you already have an account so that you can sign into your account. If you want to open a new account and sign up, then click on Open an Account link right below. Once you click it on, you can go ahead and choose one of the accounts from where you would like to sign up from. You can start by checking and savings accounts, credit cards, home loans, auto loans, small businesses, and so on. Click on any one of your choice from the display by clicking on Get Started. Now, to open an account, choose your plan from the display and click on Open an Account right below your selection. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a new tab popping out. Enter your zip code in the first text box and click on Go. Select your country, click on Go, and now you can go ahead and choose if you'd like to add saving accounts to your bank account. Click on Yes if you do, but if you don't, you can click on the next option. After you're done, if you have an offer code, you can click on this box right here and type in the offer code that you received. If you already are a customer of Bank of America Online Banking, then you can click on this box, which will help you to save time, since your application will be pre-filled and customized. After you're done, click on Go to Application and fill in the information on the next page. Enter your first name in the first text box and then your middle name if available. Enter your last name on the next and then type in your address line in the next box. After you're done, if available, enter the address line too as well. You can skip this step as well. Type in the name of your city and the rest of the information will be typed in automatically. Head over to the phone number text box, type in your phone number and then choose your phone number type from the drop down. Now enter your email address in the next text box. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to and then re-enter the email address in the next text box as well. Answer if you are a citizen of the US. If you choose yes, you'll need to enter your social security number and confirm the social security number on the next text box as well. Soon after you do that, if you have a dual citizenship, that means if you are residents of more than one country at a time, you can click on one of the choices out here. If yes, click on the yes. If no, click on the no option. Choose the country you are residing in at the moment and then type in your date of birth on the next box. Enter your sources of income from the drop down. Enter rest of the information about your employment and finances. If you'd like to add a co-applicant, click on yes and then type in the name of the applicants. Start with the first name, type in the middle name if available. If not, skip to the last name part. And you have two options here. If you'd like to keep the co-applicant's address the same as yours, if you want to do that, click yes. If not, click no. If you pick no, you'll need to go ahead and enter the address for your co-applicant as well. If yes, simply select yes and type in the phone number of the applicant and the phone number type. Finish the rest of the co-applicant's information by typing it in correct and finally click on continue. After you do that, follow the on-screen procedure, complete your account setup, and you'll be able to sign up for Bank of America. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.